Some people say a dog is just a pet. But for Daniel, a lonely English learner living in South Korea, his dog became his best teacher, and his best friend. Daniel was 27, originally from the Philippines, and had been working in Seoul as a delivery driver. He moved there chasing better opportunities, but life in a foreign country wasn't easy. His Korean was still basic. His English, although better, wasn't confident. He dreamed of working in hospitality or tourism, but every time he tried to speak English to foreigners in Seoul, his mind froze. Too shy. Too unsure. Too scared of sounding wrong. He would go home, exhausted, eat ramen, and watch English learning videos. But without real conversation, he felt stuck. One rainy night, Daniel heard a whimpering sound near his apartment entrance. It was a small, wet puppy, shivering and alone. He looked around. No one. No tag. Daniel took him in, dried him off, gave him leftover rice, and placed him in a towel. "I'll call you Max," he smiled. Max wagged his tail. That moment began a friendship that would change both of their lives. Every morning, Daniel walked Max before work. At first, it was quiet, but slowly, he began to talk to Max. Just simple things. "Good morning, Max. Are you hungry? Let's go to the park." Max listened, tail wagging, tongue out, never correcting, never judging. Daniel realized something powerful: he could speak English freely to Max without fear. And so, he did. He practiced greetings, storytelling, even customer service scripts. "Hello sir, how may I help you? Let me check that for you. Have a wonderful day." Max became his private audience. His coach with paws. Daniel also watched a YouTube channel called Practice English Through Story during breakfast. One story was about speaking English out loud to yourself. Speaking alone helps build fluency and confidence, the video said. Even talking to your dog can help. Daniel laughed. "Well, I guess I'm on the right path." He started recording himself talking to Max, giving him commands in English. "Sit, Max. Catch it. Stay here. Wait." He reviewed the videos. Noticed his pronunciation. Corrected his rhythm. Improved every day. But the real test came unexpectedly. One Saturday, Daniel took Max to a dog park in Itaewon, a place famous for foreign visitors. An American couple was there with their husky. The woman saw Max and said, "Oh my gosh, he's adorable. What breed is he?" Daniel paused. His palms got sweaty. But Max barked, like saying, "You got this." So Daniel replied, slowly but clearly, "I'm not sure. I found him. I mean, he found me." They all laughed. The couple stayed for an hour. They talked about dogs, Seoul, food, and even how Daniel learned English by talking to Max. "That's the sweetest thing we've heard all year," the man said. Before leaving, the woman asked, "You ever thought of working in a pet hotel or dog café? Your English is great and you clearly love animals." Daniel was shocked. He never believed his English would open doors like that, especially because of a dog. That night, Daniel couldn't sleep. He searched online, "dog cafes hiring Seoul." There it was. A listing for Paw Paradise, a high-end dog cafe near Hongdae looking for English-speaking staff who love animals. He applied the next morning. They called him in for an interview the same week. He practiced his answers with Max every night. Tell me about yourself. Why do you want to work here? What are your strengths? And when interview day came, Daniel walked in confidently. The manager smiled when he said, "I've learned most of my English by speaking to my rescue dog. He's my teacher." 2 days later, he got the job. Now, Daniel works at Paw Paradise. He welcomes guests from around the world. He plays with dogs. He speaks English every day, with humans and with Max. He even started a YouTube channel, Max Teaches Me English, where he shares tips, daily phrases, and cute dog moments in English. His most viewed video: 5 things I tell my dog in English every day. Want to learn English with fun stories like this? Subscribe to our channel, Practice English Through Story. Learn real English through real-life stories. Improve speaking, listening, and confidence. New stories every week, fun, relatable, unforgettable. Turn your daily life into an English classroom. One story at a time.